watching today's video. So today I am back with another unboxing, and this one is actually going to be a Birchbox versus Birchbox for October 2018. I've been getting Birchbox for a long time now. It was the start of my subscription box addiction. I had seen a commercial about Birchbox and I thought it was the coolest thing of 10 bucks a month and you get all these samples. Now, I was never really into makeup or skincare or anything until this subscription box. So I kind of have like a little bit of a love-hate relationship because there are many months that I'm not into the products. I feel like that they don't go by the profile all the time or your reviews. This month, I actually really liked what was in my box. It was one of the better months. So I feel like I can never cancel because it was the start of this lovely habit of mine. I'm gonna show you my box that was curated for me personally. I chose one of the samples because I love that you can do that. Every month, they'll give you a choice of 3 different samples and you can pick one. And then the other 4 are supposed to be personal to you and your profile. Then they also have a curated box. Now with the curated box, you could also choose that for the month. What I usually do, if I like the curated box, what I'll do is I'll pick one of the samples for my regular box and then I'll purchase the curated box, which is what I did in this case. The curated box will be $10 for subscribers on top of your $10 that you would pay for the month. This is the box for this month. I really like it. I think it's really cute. It's definitely fall themed. They usually have really cute boxes. I used to save them, but then it became ridiculous, so I stopped. And it'll come in a box like this when it gets delivered. And then when you open it up, it'll have the pamphlet on the top, which will give you like the theme of the month and give you some like tips and stuff. And then what I love that they do, because they're really one of the Birchbox and Boxycharm are really the only ones that give you prices. So you'll get a list of your products with the prices and a description. So I like that they do that. The first product, which is the sample choice of the month, I don't remember what the other 2 products were, but I know that this one is a brand that I really enjoy. I've actually purchased a full size of their body wash because it's amazing. It's the Divines or Divines, I'm not sure how really you pronounce it. It's a hair shield and the full size is $37, but you're actually getting a pretty good size here for a sample. It's 2.53 fluid ounces, so that's pretty good. It says it defends against heat damage with this pre-styling spray infused with lentil seed and panthenol to boost moisture and add shine. Before heat styling, you would spray throughout damp hair. So I haven't tried it yet because this is the first time I'm actually like going through my products, but it is just a spray that you would just spray throughout your hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. I haven't gotten many makeup products lately from Birchbox, so I was excited to see a makeup product. And this is from Winky Lux. It's the Strobing Balm Cream Highlighter in Radiant Pink. The full size of this is $16, so it's very reasonably priced. It says, enhance your favorite features with this glow boosting balm that imparts a soft sheen. Apply to your cupid's bow, cheeks, or down the bridge of your nose with fingers or a sponge. I always love the Winky Lux packaging. If you could see that, they always have really cute packaging. They'll have like something on it, whether it's flowers or they'll have like kittens and stuff like that. So I thought that's really nice packaging. There isn't a mirror on here, but it will have a pan just like this. And then again, this is the Radiant Pink. So I haven't swatched it yet. Right away, when I feel this, it's really oily. I don't know if that is because it's been really humid here and it's been really warm. My air conditioner broke in my house at the end of August. My house has been so humid. So it's very possible that this oiliness is from that. So I'll see if it changes because it feels extremely oily. But as you can see, I mean, it's a really pretty shade. So the next thing is a brand that I discovered through Birchbox. It's called Air Repair. This is my dryer. Okay, all right, so this brand is called Air Repair. It's the Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. The full size is $26, so not bad price-wise. It says, your skin will drink up this serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleanser and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to face and neck. One thing with Birchbox is that their samples can be really small, but because it's a serum, I'm thinking you don't need to use that much. Hopefully it's filled pretty much to the top. It kind of came out a little milky and it absorbed super quick. Wow. Okay, so when they say that your skin will drink it up, yeah, it definitely does. The next thing here is a pretty good size. It's from Malin and Goats. It's a vitamin E face moisturizer. Full size is $50. It says, filled with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, this lightweight, oil-free moisturizer gently hydrates without clogging pores. Use in the morning alone or before makeup. So it's a good size. It's 0.5 fluid ounces, so it seems like it's good to try. It says it's for all skin types. It does have a seal on it, so I'm not going to open it yet because I have a ridiculous amount of moisturizers to go through, so I'm not going to open it quite yet. And then the last but not least in my box is from Perlice, the BB Tinted Moist Cream with SPF 30, and it's in the shade medium. The full size of this is $35. It says this antioxidant balm evens skin tone, soothes inflamed areas, and hydrates with chamomile and Asian herb extract. It says it's oil-free and moisturizing. It has natural looking coverage, and it's matte but meets a glowy finish, which I absolutely love. I don't like full coverage foundations. I like cushion foundations lately. I'm all into that. I like more of a radiant finish. I wanna see how it blends in, but it might be a little too light for me because I do self-tan and I don't know. Let me blend it in. I put way too much though. It actually looks like it has more coverage than expected. I see it sinking into the fine lines in my hand, so I don't know how this is gonna work on my face, but like I said, I put way too much, so maybe if I put a little less it would work better. That's it on my hand after I blended it in. You could see the difference in color, so it might actually be a little too light for me. That is it for my first box, which was my profile plus my sample choice. And let's get into the curated box. And I forgot to tell you before that on the pamphlet it says turn over a new leaf, so that's the theme of the month, and there's some little tips on here. And again, on this side we'll have your products with the prices. So the first product is from a brand that I'm very, very familiar with, and it's R&Co, but this is the acid wash. It's an apple cider vinegar cleanse and rinse. The full size is $32. This pre-shampoo treatment gets rid of product buildup by using naturally exfoliating apple cider vinegar extract. Use the targeted applicator to apply onto your scalp when hair is wet, massage, and then you rinse after 1 to 3 minutes. Now, this is kind of a small bottle, especially with my hair because it's very long, but you're only putting it on the scalp anyway. This is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, the next product is from Dr. Jart, and it's a little guy. It's the Ceramidin Cream. Now, I've tried the green one, which is so good. It's good for breakouts, for redness. I would put it on a breakout and the redness the next day would be gone. I mean, it is really amazing. This is very expensive. For the full size of this, it's $48. And this is only 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. Instantly hydrate your complexion with this derm-developed cream that's packed with moisture-retaining ceramides. After cleansing, pat a nickel-sized amount onto dry skin. So you could feel that it's definitely thicker and it's moisturizing. It feels really nice and it absorbs quicker than I thought. The next product in here is from Sand and Sky. This is the Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Full size is $42.90. I don't know why they wouldn't just round it up to 43, but it says $42.90. It says, like a superfood smoothie for your face, this exfoliating treatment nourishes and detoxifies to get you glowing fast. Massage into freshly cleansed, damp skin and leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Now I'm down to the last 2 products, which are both makeup items. And this is from Laura Geller. This is the Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the shade Blushing Shimmer. The full size of this is $21. says swipe on this shimmery shade of pinky mauve to perk up your lips. The creamy moisturizing formula glides on smoothly sans stickiness. I've been getting a lot of shades like this lately. It's really nice for every day. So I thought it was gonna be more like a liquid lipstick. I don't know why I assumed that because it clearly says lip gloss. So you can see that it is quite sheer. I really like this. Like I said before, this is good for every day. And then the last but not least is from a brand that I've actually never heard of, and it's called Ipsy. It's the Pearl Eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Metamorphosis. I think that this is full size because it says that the full size is $9. They're individual magnetic pans, so it's very possible that this is full size. If the box is $10 and this is $9, then you spent $1 on everything else. Enhance your eyes with this rich bronze shade that has a pearlized metallic sheen. Wear it alone or add it to the exclusive Ipsy and Birchbox customizable palette. This is such a pretty shade, and again, just like the lip gloss, this is a great everyday eyeshadow, and that is what the pan itself looks like. So it's more on the very light side. It seems almost more like a highlighter to me. If you can see that, it's like, for me, I could probably use that as a highlighter. So that is it with my Birchbox versus Birchbox unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this month's boxes. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate the support. If you like unboxings, then give this video a thumbs up. But until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.